Hello everyone. Oh, it's a beautiful day here. Just feast your eyes on this scene. You've got the sculptural driftwood and the marsh grasses, very abundant. This is Ower Quay. I'm just going to take you right round. I've just walked from Hartland moor to Ower Quay and it's about 4 miles. But it's been really hot today, but it's particularly lovely down here because you've got this cool breeze coming off the water. The estuary from Arn flows right across and into the sea that surrounds these beautiful islands right across that I'm looking at. See that house in the middle? That's an island and it's called Round Island. And then you've got Long Island. And then that's Purbecks Quay, very built up, as you can see. Look at that. Look at the light on the water. There's lots of currents in here. It's very deceptive. And you think that this island, particularly here, which is called Brownsea Island, it doesn't look that far away, but it is. If you were going to swim it, it would be quite lethal because of the currents. Well, there's lots of boats out on the water today, and it's the end of July, the 31st of July, 2020. I can see right to the end of Studland Peninsula, and that's where the car ferry goes across from Sandbanks. This is Dorset, diverse, fertile and beautiful. And most people will be on the beach, but there's not a soul